Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and it's a general reading, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Virgos. On your side, we have the moon. Let's see what's on your person's side. On your person's side, we have the Knight of Cups. Okay. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Ten of Wands. Okay. So Virgos, there is something in which you are really not clear. There is lack of clarity in your mind regarding this person or in this relationship. There is something here in this relationship which you are either doubtful about or you really don't have the clear picture. We'll see what that is. But there is something here which is not very clear to you. You have doubts perhaps. But whatever it is, you are still following your intuition. You are just going with your gut. You are just going with your intuition. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Knight of Cups. So this person has a lot of love. This person is offering you love. This person is open for love. For the most likely outcome, we have the Ten of Wands. So somebody here is ready to unburden themselves. This person feels that this person is feeling burdened in a situation, whosoever it is. We'll see what that is and who is wanting to unburden themselves. Okay, and this somebody is open for love, and somehow I don't know why I'm getting a vibe as if this person is open for love to someone else, not you. I don't know. It's weird, but maybe I'm getting that message, so I'm putting it out. Maybe it is helping somebody here. Okay, so let's clarify the moon. Let's clarify the moon. Why is this moon here on your side, Virgos? So for the moon, we have the Hierophant, the Five of Cups, okay, and the Five of Pentacles. That's what I felt, as if this person is not offering this cup of love to you. Anyway, let's see what is this Knight. Let's clarify this Knight of Cups. Let's clarify this Knight of Cups. For the Knight of Cups, we have the King of Pentacles, it's the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Let's see, let's clarify this Ten of Wands. So for the Ten of Wands, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. So as far as you are concerned with the moon, we have the Hierophant, the Five of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. So what I feel is, to me, maybe there is somebody else involved in the relationship here. That's what I feel. It can be a love triangle here for some of you at least, because you feel it is a committed relationship, but you feel ignored here. And that is why you are upset and you really don't know what is the role, what's your role, where do you stand in this relationship. And that is why with the moon card as it is showing up, what I feel is that is the dilemma and that is the confusion about. You really sense that there is somebody else here in this situation, in this equation, and somebody is ignoring you, and that is what is really upsetting you. And whatever is happening here is happening in a dynamics which was really committed, stable, and even maybe it was actually a marriage. Okay, so it was something long term or had a potential to be. Okay, and it's not that it was assumed that way, it was supposed to be that way. Okay, it was a commitment actually, and now you feel that this person is ignoring you and it's upsetting you, and you feel that there is somebody here, some third person here in the dynamics. And with the Knight of Cups, that was the vibe I got, as if this person is taking his or her cup of love away from you, and that's what I'm getting again here, that this person is moving towards somebody else for a relationship where this person feels there is more of stability. Okay, so So we have the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Wands. So this person is seeking stability and commitment somewhere else. That's what I feel again and again. So this person is moving somewhere else. This person is drifting apart here. And for the most likely outcome, for the Ten of Wands, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. So what I feel here is that there is a communication which will happen between both of you. Perhaps both of you decide to talk about it. And somebody here, I think you choose to be single. You want to be happy. You want to be single perhaps. Even if it requires to be single, it's fine. I'll focus on myself, and that is why you don't want to be in the burden of this love triangle. You don't want to deal with this love triangle. And I think that is what you want to communicate to this person also. And you want to focus on your own self. You don't want any sort of you are defending your peace basically, and you're defending your own self-worth. That's what I feel. Message from this deck: do something for someone. Number 41 may be of some significance for you. Give your attention to another. So maybe you really need to divert your mind or do something for someone which may help you heal or something like that. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.